Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Darice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And from the title, I know you guys can tell that today's video is going to be none other than a Louis Vuitton unboxing. And I'm like so excited because I have been wanting this purchase for a while now, and I finally decided to go ahead and make the splurge. And I wanted to, of course, share it with you guys so you guys can see what I got and how I will be using it. Now, before I get into all that, of course, make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel because I want you to be one of my fellow Deeters so you know when my videos are coming out, and you know you can be updated on all the latest fashion, lifestyle stuff to say the least. But yeah, make sure you guys are just supporting me because I really would appreciate it, and I just would love to hear from you guys and all that good fun stuff. So without further ado, I am going to go ahead and get started. Now let me see, how am I gonna do this? Well, you know, Louis Vuitton always just has really great packaging. We'll start there. I just think that everything about their packaging is just so classy, classic, especially this new like orange with the blue. I think this is like genius. I love this. But with that being said, the item that I purchased was actually an SLG. So I'm going to be starting my SLG collection. Well, I have started my SLG collection, I'm sorry. And I have been eyeing a couple items, and I was like, what should I get? What should I get? And I finally went ahead and decided on something. Now, along with this being an SLG, it's also, well, another reason that I wanted to get it was because it's my birthday month. And probably by the time you see this, my birthday may have already passed, but whatever. But I wanted to go ahead and treat myself to something small, but still something nice, because I work hard and I deserve it. So I wanted to get myself something. So this is how it came packaged. So super cute. And then you open it up. It has like the little drawer box thing, as you guys can probably see there. And it has the little dust bag. It's so adorable. They're so extra with their packaging for whatever, and I love it because I like extra stuff. So, but no, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I will show you that I purchased the key clay. This is in the Damier of Being print, which is the scratch resistant, stain resistant. You can do that to it and nothing will happen to it. And I went with the Damier Bean because it matches my Speedy. And there is a reason why I wanted to go ahead and get this particular item. For one, I don't have pockets all the time. And at work, I mean, when I'm going like downstairs to the cafeteria and stuff, I'm like, I am so tired of having to like worry about like just holding my card in my hand, or if I'm trying to hold the card and buy food. It was starting to be a bit much. And I'm like, I knew I was going to have to invest in something like this. And I just started watching YouTube videos and different reviews on, you know, what were some good items that would come in handy for that. And of course, I stumbled across this baby, in which I had already been seeing these, but I just did not know they had so many different uses that you could use them for. Now this right here is just perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So in the inside, here is the little chain that it comes with here. You guys can see that beautiful gold chain. And it also has like a number and then a Louis Vuitton little, I don't know, made in USA thing. But yes, I'm like so excited about this item. I just cannot wait to start using this because I really was in the market for something like this. And what better way to start my SLG collection than with something that I actually am really going to use that I really need. Now this retails for, I want to say $205 in the States, in the US States. And then let me see, actually I have my receipt right. Okay, my receipt just flew out, but the receipt comes in this beautiful little packaging here. I purchased this from my local Saks, the Louis Vuitton store, my local Saks, and with tax, that rhymes. I'm not rapping, y'all, I promise. Oh, it doesn't even tell you how much it, oh, $221.40 is what I ended up paying altogether for that item. So, not bad. I mean, it's not the most inexpensive item, but it's not the most expensive either. And for what you get, I really do think it's a good deal. I mean, I have that piece forever, so I'm not mad at it. Now, what I'm going to be using it for, like I said, is mainly going to be for cards. Now, you can, of course, attach your keys to it, and I'll show you how that would look right now, which I probably won't be doing because that's a bit much. And then you open it up and you just throw your keys inside of here like that. That's one way. Wait, what is he doing? Okay, y'all, I haven't even tried it yet, so bear with me, but yeah, this probably won't be. I don't like that. Maybe I just got too much keys on my key ring, but no, I won't be using it like that. What I'm going to be using it for is like kind of like a card holder for like when I'm running into the grocery store to run errands and I don't want to have a full wallet, or just when I'm switching purses. I'm going to be using it just to put like some cards in. So, you know, first thing I'm going to put is my ATM card in here. Put some cash. And my driver's license. That's the main 3 cards that I need. Oh, my work badge. I'll throw that in here too. Then I'll show you once I have everything in what it looks like. So as you guys can see, I just have 3 cards there and there's still plenty of space. I've seen people use this for like putting their earphones in here. What else have I seen? Like a little case to have just little toiletries in. I've used this. I mean, I've seen people use this just for all types of little random things. I can't even really think right now. Sorry, guys. But you guys get the drift of what I'm trying to say. You could put just little small trinkets in here. Obviously, you could put makeup. And then it's dark brown in the inside, so you won't have to really worry about it getting messed up. Another thing that I liked about this piece, and this particular one was made in Paris, so that was one thing that I was excited about because some of their things aren't always made in Paris. So that was another good thing. And then you can also, because what I'm going to be doing with it is actually attaching this to my Speedy. And that's the reason I got it in this print as well, because it matches my Speedy 30, as you guys can see right here. And I will go ahead and just attach this on for you guys so you can see how cute it looks when you do that. So that's another way that you can wear this piece. So yeah, it's just a very versatile piece. So if you're thinking about purchasing one, or if you've been on the fence about it, I say get it, especially if you know, if you're in a position where you can afford something like that. It's a great investment. I mean, I know there probably are more inexpensive ones, but I mean, for what you're getting and the quality, you know, that's a piece that you can have forever. It's not like it's something that's going to go out of style, and it's multi-purpose. So I think you really do get your money's worth with that item. So if you have any questions or anything about that, let me know down below. I didn't want to make this a really super long video, but I can go more into detail if you want about the item. But I more so just want to share with you guys what I had purchased, especially since it was like technically kind of like a birthday gift to myself. So I wanted to come on here and just go over that with you, share it, and of course, you know, give you the deets. Thanks so much for tuning into this video, and make sure you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Bye-bye.